Hi everybody, my name is Chef Cleva and I'm a little curious. Today we're going to be talking about pecan pie, or some might call it pecan pie. And here's a cool fun fact. Pecan pie is actually one of the rare desserts that is native to America. And the pie represents Texas, of all places, even though Georgia is #1 in producing pecans. So, as you can see from our ingredients, it's going to be a very sweet pie. And there's a southern saying that if your dessert doesn't crack your teeth, it was not sweet enough. So here are your ingredients. You have 3 eggs slightly beaten, 8 ounces of corn syrup, 5 ounces of sugar, 3 ounces of butter melted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using white vanilla, but regular vanilla is just as good. And you have your 10 ounces of pecans chopped. So what we're going to do is, when they say slightly beaten, they just basically want you to break the yolk. So you're just going to break it up a little bit because it's going to come together in the mixer behind me. So we're going to put everything together all at once. Here we go. Lift. So you have your eggs. You've got your corn syrup. And corn syrup, super sticky, but it's good. Your sugar, dump that in there. Your 3 ounces of butter, melted. And don't forget your vanilla. Okay, so this is all gonna go in the mixer with the whisk attachment until it's all come together. Here we go. All right. So another fun fact is that at one point France tried to claim this pie because it was becoming more and more popular in Louisiana, but that was debunked because the pecans are native to America and it was reclaimed by America, its true home. So as you can see, everything is coming together nice. And it doesn't even take that long to come together because it's all liquid, or majority liquid. Okay. And you can smell it. So good. So now what we're going to do, we're going to fold in the pecans. Okay. So once the pecans are incorporated, don't forget, guys, clean up as you go. So once you get everybody all together, we're gonna pour this into our pie crust. So even though pecan pie is a southern dessert, it became nationwide popular from a very popular corn syrup brand because the corn syrup brand began printing the recipe on their bottles. So here we go, everybody's all together, cool beans. And this is a store-bought crust, flutes included. If you want to learn how to do that, you can check out my apple pie recipe, which is also on this channel. All right, here we go. So we're pouring everything in. And because it's such a wet pie, it is gonna have to stay in the oven a bit long. So we're gonna put this in the oven, 350 for 45 minutes. Or until it is solid. So basically all those sugars are going to caramelize and it's going to come together great. There we go. And suckers in. All right, and we'll see you guys in 45 minutes. All right, guys, it's been 45 minutes. Let's see what we got. All right. All right. Oh. Okay. This looks awesome. Cool, so check that golden brown color, that caramelization from all that lovely sugar. And one way you can definitely test it is you can just take like a toothpick or a fork, just stick it in the middle, which we have, so it's good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and I hope to see you guys next episode. Bye.